Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can unlink from a connector app in your Microsoft Copilot account in 2026. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your Microsoft Copilot account, log into it, navigate to your account settings and to the connector settings. If you don't know how to do that, guys, click into your profile name in the bottom left or profile icon, select name it, settings from that menu that will appear here. And after that, navigate to connectors and you will see a list of all connected apps. So what you want to do, guys, is if, for example, you're already logged in with your Microsoft account, you may disable OneDrive and Outlook as connectors so that Copilot won't be able to use, for example, these as sources of information, for example, or if you'd like to upload or use files stored in your OneDrive account or emails as a context, you may disable this here. For example, guys, if these are connected, you will see that button below the prompt field here in your conversations with the options to gain access to OneDrive or Outlook, for example, to use a file from there or specific email. And you can do the same with these connector apps listed below, like Google Drive, Google Calendar. Once you have connected one of them, for example, guys, you may simply click into this disconnect here on the previous window, and that's basically it. Before you do that, you will need to log into your Google account, of course, to connect it. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.